Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. I am Humaira Shah, your social studies teacher from Multan Public School and College. I hope you all are fine and taking your meet classes regularly. Today we will start a new unit, unit number 4, and the lesson is lesson number 8, building houses. Dear students, in this unit we will learn about how buildings are made, about building materials, about building jobs and tools. People all over the world live in houses. A house is a place where a family can live together. It is a place where people can keep their things safely. A house keeps us warm when it is cold outside and cool when it is warm outside. When it rains, a house keeps us dry. Dear students, small houses have only one or two rooms, but big houses have more. They may have a drawing room, a dining room, bedrooms, bathrooms, and a kitchen. Some houses also have a garden. Dear students, you can see different kinds of houses at the left side of this slide. You can see the picture of tent, igloo, villa, flats, castle, and semi-detached houses. Now students, we will discuss about some building materials. Houses are made of stone, bricks and cement. Many other materials are also used. When a house is built, deep holes are dug for the base and concrete is poured into it. Concrete is made of very small stones mixed with cement. This gives the house a strong foundation. Iron or steel is used for pillars in the walls. The pillars hold up the roof. Wood is also used for doors and windows in buildings. Dear students, you can see the pictures of different building materials on the screen like cement, stone, steel, bricks, clay and wood. Dear students, we have discussed about different building materials which are helpful in building the houses. Now we will discuss about the builders. बिल्डर्स कौन होते हैं जो आपका घर बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं, जो मुख्तलिफ काम करते हैं और जिनकी मदद से हम अपने घर को अच्छे से तामीर कर सकते हैं. Now we will discuss them one by one. Many people help to build houses. The person who first works on a house is an architect. सबसे पहले जो आर्किटेक्ट है वो क्या करता है, वो घर का नक्शा बनाता है कि इस तरफ बेडरूम होना चाहिए, इस साइड पे लॉन होना चाहिए और इस साइड पे जो है वो आपका किचन होना चाहिए. Before all the other work begins, an architect designs the new house and draws pictures of it. The architect makes a plan which helps other workers to do their jobs. A plumber fits all the pipes and taps. A laborer digs, lifts, carries things and helps the other workers. A brick a bricklayer works with the bricks and he bakes bricks for building the walls. A carpenter makes the windows and doors. He works with wood. An electrician puts in all the wires and the plug points. A painter paints the walls and the wooden frames. A plasterer covers the walls with a smooth layer of plaster. Now we will discuss about tools. वो tools जो builders use करते हैं आपके घर को बनाने में, उन तमाम tools के बारे में अब हम पढ़ेंगे. Carpenters, plumbers, electricians and other workers all need tools. Tools help them to do their work. Many thousands of years ago, people did not have tools. They used their hands to do everything. Today, people are very clever. They have invented tools to make their work easier. Who use these tools? What are they used for? Now we will discuss these tools one by one. A hammer, plumb line, drill, screwdriver, chisel, saw, plane, pliers, pipe wrench, file, trowel, spanner. इनमें से बहुत से टूल्स ऐसे हैं जो आपके घरों में भी होंगे और आपने देख के रखे होंगे, जस्ट लाइक हैमर, ड्रिल मशीन, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, प्लायर्स, ये सबके घरों में होता है ना बच्चों। इसके अलावा सॉ, सॉ जो है वो आरी होती है, इट इज़ यूज बाय कारपेंटर। हैमर और उसके अलावा पाइप रेंच है, स्पैनर है, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, दीज आर यूज बाय electricians. Tools are very useful for these builders. Now dear students, although these tools are very useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them badly. Take care of them. Use them only for the jobs they were made for. Now it's your homework time. I have given you 5 question answers which you have to done on your social studies notebooks. I am reading these questions for you. Question number 1. What materials are houses made of? Question number 2. What parts of your house are made of wood? Question number 3. What is the difference between a block of flats and huts? Question number 4. Which of the jobs above would like to do? Now question number 5. Which of the tools above have you seen? Dear students, these are very easy questions. After reading this lesson and watching this video, inshallah there will be no difficulty in finding out the answers of these questions. Allah Hafiz dear students, God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe. Inshallah we will meet in our next video. Till then, goodbye.